Hey guys, welcome once again to DLM Studio. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create concrete facial or facial boards for roof design in your project. Let's get started. Now, if you check the past videos, you will see how we got to this level of designs. If you check the playlist for this video, you will see other works, how we got to this level, and outside from the ground floor to the first floor, the slab, the staircase, to we got to this roof level. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how to add your concrete facial or facial board depending on your design, your choice. Okay, first thing we'll do now is we come to components. You see this drop down arrow down here under this component. You click on it, you click model in place. Once you get this model in place, then you come down to roof, double click, you give it your name and give it, let's do a facial board first. Facial board. Okay, now to create another set of tools for us here. Now we have the extrusion, the blend, revolve, sweep, blend. A time I'll be showing you how to make use of this, but for this project I'll be making use of the sweep tool. You click on sweep. Now we are going to create our concrete facial, which has an overhang of 600 mm. Now let's create our facial board first. We'll be creating our facial board first. Before our concrete facial. So follow these steps with me. Click on pick parts, 3D edges. You pick the edges of your building, make sure it goes round. Now if you check the previous videos I've made so far, I told you that once we don't have a closed loop, Revit will not recognize our designs. So you see, if once I pick the parts now, I just press OK to tell me more than one loop not allowed. So I'll just continue. Now use my trim and extend tool, shortcut TR, click the first line, the next line to adjust. First one, next one. This has gone past, so you just click these 2 points to trim it. This and this, this and this and this. I think we have a full closed loop now. You click OK. Now our loop is complete. Now you see this, you see we have the black loop and we have our point of origin at this point here. So you click here, edit profile. Okay. Now before that, we have some default profile that is preset into this project. You want to click on select profile by sketch. You have the M facial flat. We have different types of facials. We have the gutters, but for this design our advice will create our own sweep profile. So you click on edit profile. Now you click on this draw tool under this drop box, which we'll be making use of in many of our past videos. Once you click on this drop box, you click on the line, you click on this point of origin, that's this origin point or end point. Once you click, you drag it out. We're having our overhang to be 600 mm, so that will be 600. Enter. Now we have that. Then let's make it 25 mm thick. 25. And we're having like a rectangle here. Now you're seeing this line is looking too thick, right? All you do is come up here under this thin line. Once you click, you've seen to convert the lines to thin lines. Now we can see what is happening here. Now this has gone past this point, but there's no problem. Use your trim tool, shortcut TR, click. Now we have a perfect rectangle here. which will serve as the base for the concrete fascia or the ceiling part. Then you click OK. Now once you have that, you click finish edit model, the green part. OK. Now if you notice, this has gone round the entire part of the building. I press my shift, you see you have like a ceiling outside here already. Now we want to put our fascial board, which is 300 mm wide and it's going around the building. Now what we'll do is come back. Before we click the final, we won't leave this edit section. You come back here to create, sweep, it will have to go around, pick part, show you the edges. Now you come to the edges that you've created here, then you do this to go around this edge. Is the edge of that ceiling part which you've created initially. That's where your concrete, your fascial board rather, will go through. Once you've gone round it, okay, now you have a closed loop already. Now select profile, select this is where your profile will be, and zoom it in, and you can create your own profile by clicking edit profile. Now at this point, make it 25 mm thick and the height should be 300 mm. Make sure it's straight. You have your 90 degree already. Now type 300, enter. This. Now we have a full closed rectangle now. Now I can just press OK, but I want it to be inside, not outside, so I can just click on this profile, then I just edit it again, click on it, edit. So we have to delete this, or sorry, yes, because I want the profile to run internally, not externally. Click this point. Take note of Revit auto snap. It snaps with a box. Once you see a box on any line, it shows it as snapped. 90. This. Okay. Now it should go round. Now you see it has gone round to look like a fascial board. And change this view to hidden line view to get a perfect view of what you're doing. Now just click OK. And we have this as a new ceiling with your fascial board. Now you can now add your materials to it, and just click on it, to double click to edit it. Click on this first part here, come back here to under this properties panel, you see materials. Let's change this. If you check previous videos, you will see how I added materials to floor and how to edit materials, especially in that video. So this is our material browser. You come down here, this block round icon here, you click create new material, you give it a name, fascial board. Graphics, use render appearance. Come back to appearance here, open asset browser, that's this, click. So we have loads of materials here in Revit, loads of materials for us to pick from. So we come to wood. For our facial bird, let's use this. I like this for my facial bird. You click on this small arrow here to load it into the project. Close. This is the file. Apply. Okay. And click finish. Now if I change this to, let's say, realistic. Wow. Now you see this. We've loaded this into our project. So this has to do a facial bird. Then you can put a flat roof on it or any other roof. If you want to create a concrete facial, that will be shown in the next video.
Congratulations, you have reached the end of this video. You can press the like button below to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications because more tutorials will be coming up every day. You can leave your comments, your thoughts, and any question you have in the comment section below, and be sure to get a reply ASAP.